Hello everyone, I'm Xiao He. Today, let's taste a popular dish, Hot Pot Wide Noodles. The ingredient we are using is the Hot Pot Wide Noodles from Jack&King. You said that these wide noodles are resistant to boiling, chewy and smooth, so let's give it a try. After washing the wide noodles, they can cook in a boiling hot pot for 3 to 5 minutes before consumption. You can also cook them according to the personal preference, such as stewing, stir-frying, deep-frying, and more. Now the Hot Pot Wide Noodles are ready. We can see that they are translucent and not sticky. They look very appetizing. Let's have a taste of this dish now. Very delicious. These wide noodles and the hot pot base are truly a perfect match. And the noodles are very chewy and smooth, making you want another bite after eating. Furthermore, these noodles are very healthy and low in fat. Highly recommend everyone to give it a try. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Jack&King's, a taste of China, anytime, anywhere.